How to use GrubHub Driver App. Download and open the GrubHub Driver App from your device's App Store. Log in or create your driver account by submitting your personal information and completing any required background checks. Upon opening the app, you will see your status as unavailable. Tap this to switch your status to available to start receiving delivery offers. Use the menu to explore options like scheduling shifts, viewing earnings, and adjusting settings. When you receive a delivery task, check the order details, including the pickup location and customer instructions. Go to the restaurant to pick up the order, making sure to confirm everything matches the receipt, and grab any extras like drinks or utensils. Tap pickup in the app once you have the order. Follow the navigation to deliver to the customer's address. After delivering, tap deliver to complete the task and move on to the next order. Keep track of your earnings and delivery performance through the app's dashboard features. Always stay updated with the GrubHub's policies and app updates to ensure compliance and maximize your driving experience. Subscribe.